Guess what happens when an acid reacts with a base? So whenever an acid reacts with a base, two substances are formed, a salt and water. Now what is a salt? So a salt is simply that substance formed when all or part of the replaceable hydrogen ions in an acid are completely or partially replaced by metallic ions. Are you with me? Now come to the board. Now consider this very mineral acid HCl, okay? HCl is simply hydrochloric acid. Are you with me? Now, it is a mineral acid, and in case you are following and then you are confused on what mineral acids are, you could check my previous video on acids. Are you following? Now, let's continue. So, HCl is reacting with sodium hydroxide, okay? And of course, the products are simply salt and water. But what is a salt? A salt is formed when all or part of the replaceable hydrogen ions in an acid are completely or partially replaced, right? Now, this is our acid. This very acid is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is monobasic in terms of basicity, meaning that it has only one replaceable hydrogen ion. Are you following? And that very one replaceable hydrogen ion is what sodium will replace. So once sodium replaces this hydrogen ion, it gives us NaCl, which is simply what? Sodium chloride. And this sodium chloride is our salt. And the next product is simply what? H2O. And H2O is what? Water. Any confusion? You sure there's no confusion? All right, let's continue. So, of course, this very equation is balanced, okay? And this is a neutralization reaction. Are you following? Now, let's continue. So, let's say the same HCl, which is hydrochloric acid, is reacting with potassium hydroxide, which is the base, okay? So, in this case, hydrochloric acid is monobasic, all right? This potassium will replace the hydrogen, and of course, we have potassium chloride, okay, plus what? Water, which is H2O. Now, this is our salt, all right, and this is what? Our water. Any confusion at all? You sure? Okay, so let's continue, right? Now, let's say we have H2SO4. H2SO4 is simply tetraoxosulfate 6 acid. Alright, this is sulfuric acid. Are you following? And then let's say this acid is reacting with sodium hydroxide. Alright, now H2SO4 is dibasic. It's actually a strong acid. It ionizes completely in water. Are you following? Yeah, yes. So it has two replaceable hydrogen ions. Okay. In this very case, sodium will replace these very hydrogen ions in a complete neutralization. Do you understand? This way, what we have here is simply Na2SO4 plus what? H2O. Now, in case you are confused, right, as to how we got this very Na2, okay, I will actually explain that.